Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to replace the word interesting with some interesting words, or which means we are going to learn some synonyms of the word interesting. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So the first word for interesting is gripping. I found the book so gripping that I couldn't even put it down. Another synonym for the word interesting is fascinating. Yesterday we went to a fascinating new park. Next word is striking. Her makeup, her eyes were so striking. Next word is amusing. The poet has written such an amusing poetry I have ever read. And the last word for today's video is buzzworthy. So let yourself try to make a sentence for this word buzzworthy, and we will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video, and do like the video and subscribe to our channel.